Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining again. So today the plan is we'll be going to Yellagiri, which is approximately 125 or 130 kilometers from my place. It is in Tamil Nadu on that Bangalore Chennai highway somewhere. So let's see how the things will be. I hope the climate over there will be cold enough because right now the temperature is too much in Bangalore in afternoon. So let's hope for the best. So as usual, our meeting point will be this A to B nearby Atibele. Two of my friends, they are joining me over here. So we'll have a quick breakfast over here and then we'll start our journey. The fun thing is before we were planning to go to Yarkad, that was approximately 180-185 kilometers. But since we started little late, we thought fine, we'll go to Yellagiri. And this also is kind of cold place, and Yarkad also is there. So some other time we'll go to Yarkad and see that one. So first Yellagiri and next time Yarkad. So after spending approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, we are starting again. And as I said, we'll be going to Yellagiri. So enjoy the ride with me. So it's been 30 minutes to 40 minutes we are driving. Yeah, that's Parvez and Nitish on that bike. So we thought fine, let's stop somewhere in between and have some quick snack break or tea break, because continuously we should not drive obviously. And it is very hot right now over here. Let's see. After the last tea break, we drove approximately 30 minutes or something, and then this left turn comes, which will be towards Chennai, and straight if you'll go to Salem and Trichy and all that Kanyakumari highway. This will be, and then that's why we took the service road, and then it will be left towards the Chennai. That's what Google Maps is suggesting to the Yellagiri. So I hope till now the journey is awesome and the weather is good, pleasant, and the traffic is not there. The roads are too good; they are awesome to drive, and it is well maintained. So that is one of the plus point to go towards Chennai or Salem, Trichapalli, or Kanyakumari. Whenever you go, the highways are just awesome looking. We drove another 45 minutes or something. We took a little break in between, but the GoPro stopped working, so I couldn't record that particular break. We found this U-turn which will lead to Yellagiri. So always one thing I have understood, whenever we are going anywhere, any destination, always put a bike, not the car, in the Google Map. Then this Google Map suggests some nice country road or inside route somewhere. If we'll be selecting the car in Google Maps, then it will always show the big highways. There will be nothing to see around. But always I prefer to select the bike even when I go in the car as well, so that we will go to some route which will be like nothing will be there, but the scenery around the road will be awesome. As you can see, this particular road is just a village country road. Both the sides will find cropland, and in front that mountain, that's the Yellagiri mountain, I think so. So I hope sometime, yeah, I'm getting scared that somewhere else it will lead to, but what to do? We have to follow Google. So the actual journey starts from here. This is the foothill of the Yellagiri mountain, I think so. So both the sides you can see the forest is there and the zigzag road. Oh my God, it is just too good to drive in this particular stretch of this road. One thing I was noticing, as we are going more ahead and further on this particular road, the climate was becoming more and more better. The temperature was dropping, and mostly I can feel the difference. Almost 10 to 15 degrees it was coming. So if suppose it was 30, 35 downhill, then over here approximately it was 20, 22 or something. So which was much better to drive. So there are so many fun activities which we can do in Yellagiri. There's so many resorts are there, so many hotels and everything is there. It is a very good tourist destination. So again, after searching on Google what to do in this particular place, we found this bird park. So we thought let's give it a try and see how everything will be. We have never been to any bird park before, so let's experience this. There are so many fun activities already going on inside. You can do bungee jump. There was a cart which you can drive, and there was swings also. Very much other things, but the main attraction, which you can say, there was an ostrich. Literally, I've never seen an ostrich before this close, and this was a different experience altogether. Means it was nearby. Oh my God! It was wow! It was huge. I was scared that it can bite the finger itself. But it was very much huge. In the live, if you see, oh my God. And yeah, that was the egg. Oh my God. That is another experience. I've never seen an ostrich egg. And thanks to the caretaker, he let us hold the egg. But be careful. Always be careful. Because it is, it was very hard, but also it's an egg. चल रहे हैं भाई फर्स्ट टाइम हाँ वर्टिकल ब्रेक So that's it for this video. If you are planning to come to Yellagiri, my suggestion will be try to come as early as possible. Try to reach by 9:30 or 10. We came little late afternoon. We reached here by 1, I think so. So we couldn't experience so many fun activities which were available. We did only 2 or 3 stuff. So that's what my suggestion will be. Try to come as early as possible, or else come for a weekend for 1 or 2 days and then enjoy all the things which is available here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And there is a wonderful sunset happening over here, so it's time for some pictures.